In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the fixed versions field visible in Jira. If you've ever tried to track upcoming product releases, connect software builds to sprint work, or keep your deployment cycle organized inside Jira, you already know how frustrating it can be when release-related fields seem to be missing. The good news is that in Jira, this is usually just a screen configuration issue, and once you know where to look, the fix is straightforward. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right area of the screen and click the settings gear. This is where Jira's administrative options are grouped, and it's the starting point for managing how fields appear across your projects. After you open settings, find and select issues. This takes you into the area where Jira's issue-related configuration is managed. When the page loads, move to the left-hand sidebar and look for screens. Click that to open the list of screen layouts currently being used across your Jira environment. Now you'll need to find the screen connected to the project where the fixed versions field is missing. Depending on your setup, the screen name may reflect your development workflow or issue type. Once you identify the correct screen, go to the far right of that row and click Configure. This opens the screen configuration so you can control which fields are visible. On the configuration page, scroll down until you reach the field selection area at the bottom. You'll see something like Select Field or Add a Field. Click into that box, type Fix Versions, and then choose it from the suggested results. As soon as you add it, Jira places that field onto the active screen layout, making it available where that screen is used. If you prefer a quicker route and you're already inside an issue, there may be a shortcut. Open an existing issue from your Scrum board, then check the upper right area of the issue view for a configure option or a find your field link. Use the search box to look for fixed versions, then enable its visibility directly from there. This can save time if you don't want to navigate through the full admin menu. Before you finish, do one final check. Go back to your project and either create a new issue or open an existing one. Confirm that the fixed versions field now appears correctly and is ready to use. If it shows up as expected, your update is live and your team can now track releases much more cleanly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in